आओ समझे मेरी बात नू ते कोई नहीं फर्क पैंदा नहीं जज्बात नू ते कोई नहीं जी करदा मैं तो सब नू मैं कमी जाऊं।
अपनी मैजिकल आवाज से सबको अपना दीवाना बनाने वाली रश्मीत कौर is here with us today.
Hello.
I am glad that you're here and it's really nice to see you here.
Thank you so much.
Rashmeet, you have been to खतरों के खिलाड़ी. So how was your experience? Because आपकी आवाज का जादू वहाँ भी देखने को मिला है. How was it?
It was unforgettable, once in a lifetime kind of a thing. I think कोई भी किसी को भी ये लाइफ में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो उनको करना चाहिए. Obviously ये known faces को मिलती है, but I don't think I can ever forget it and I've lived every moment of it. बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ थी, बहुत सारे स्टंट्स किए मैंने, बहुत सारे लोगों का दिल जीता, बहुत सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को एंटरटेन किया, सबको एंटरटेन किया अपनी आवाज़ से, क्योंकि I had that extra factor that I'm a musician, I can entertain with my guitar, with my music and everything. So I did that. At the same time, I performed well in stunts also because I was one of the favorite contestants of Rohit Shetty sir. So I think I'm very happy and blessed that I got to do this first of all, कि मैंने वो किया और उसको करना एक बात होती है, पर उसको बखूबी निभाना I think बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
रश्मीत कौर का कनेक्शन बचपन से है म्यूजिक के साथ. Is it right? So we want to know the story.
ऐसे अगर स्टोरी बतानी शुरू करी तो अभी सुबह हो जाएगी.
In brief.
सुबह हो जाएगी. But my mom, who also came with me tonight to just be with me, she was there in the audience and always cheering my first cheerleader. सबसे बड़ी जो cheerleader मेरी mom है और उन्हीं से मेरी शुरुआत हुई. उन्होंने मुझे गुरबानी संगीत सिखाया. That's how I started. That's how I got into music was my mom. My mom was fascinated towards music. तो मैंने गुरबानी संगीत से शुरू किया and then I learned Indian classical, गुरबानी संगीत, proper training and then started performing with my band everywhere and then co-singing with Bollywood singers and then eventually started doing my own thing. And now, as you know, that social media is so big that you don't need to go and do playback anymore, though I'm doing playback, but at the same time you have your own voice. You have Instagram, you have so many platforms where you can reach to people through those platforms. So I think वो एक बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आपको अपनी आर्ट में बिलीव होना चाहिए, आपको हर दिन अपने ऊपर काम करना चाहिए और मैं वही रख के चलती हूँ अपने साथ और वही आई थिंक लोगों तक पहुँच रहा है, इंस्पायर कर रहा है. somehow I'm grateful.
Okay, I've read somewhere that Rashmeet knows beatboxing, rapping, and also she's aware about few instruments as well. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah. I know a couple of instruments. I play harmonium, piano, and mochang, and tabla, also a little bit, guitar. But because I have this habit of constantly learning, I'm always open to learn. I always want to grow every day.
So how is it benefiting you in your singing career?
In my singing career, I think it's not just singing now that I'm an aspiring actor as well.
Yeah.
So I want to keep adding those. होता है ना एक आपके hat में आप feathers add करते रहते हो. So I think the more you learn, the more you add, the more opportunities you get to grow. Yeah. So I think it's very important to constantly keep growing. अगर वो भूख खत्म हो जाती है, वो आग खत्म हो जाती है, तो आप कहीं ना कहीं आपकी आर्ट आपको छोड़ देती है. So it's very important to keep working on yourself, keep adding those feathers, Yeah.
And well, my current favorite song is Ji Karda. So could you sing few lines from that?
जिनाओ समझे मेरी बात नू ते कोई नहीं फर्क पैंदा नहीं जज्बात नू ते कोई नहीं जी करदा मैं तो सब नू मैं कमी जाऊं अंबरां नू मैं तो चुम्मी जाऊं मित्तरां दी गड्डियां दे विच गाना ला के 5 स्टार होटलां दे विच रौला पा के जी करदा मैं तो घुम्मी जाऊं अंबरां नू मैं तो चुम्मी जाऊं.
Thank you so much, Rashmi.
Thank you so much.
Lovely talking to you.
Thank you.